ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 26ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ BU4 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕೂಟರ್ಗಳ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ಶಿಪ್ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಆರಂಭ. ದಿವ್ಯಾ EV ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಯೂಬ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಸ್ಥಿರ ಚಲನಶೀಲತೆಯನ್ನ ತರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮಾರನಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದರ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆ ಅತಿ ವಿಜೃಂಭಣೆಯಿಂದ ನೆರವೇರಿತು. ಈ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆಯನ್ನ ಶ್ರೀ ದಿಲೀಪ್ ಡಿ ಅಧೀಕ್ಷಕ ಎ ದೇವರಾಜ್ ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಇದು ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ BU4ನ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತಿಯನ್ನ ಬಲಪಡಿಸುವ ಮಹತ್ವದ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನ BU4ನ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಊರ್ವಿ ಶಾ ಮತ್ತು ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಬಿಂದಿ ಶಾ ಅವರು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದರು.
Thank you for coming here and welcoming BU4 in Bangalore. This is our first outlet for BU4 Auto in Bangalore. We chose the city because it is the fastest growing city in India and with a Cosmo crowd and a lot of young generation selecting electric two-wheelers for the option of traditional petrol and diesel models. So we thought of starting in Bangalore very quickly. It is our plan to expand in 25 states of India, but Bangalore was in the top 5 cities where we wanted to start. We started in Hyderabad and followed by Bangalore. And Mr. Dilip is going to take care of our Bangalore city business. And soon we'll have Mr. Suman, he will take care in the electricity. The first showroom will be here in our bunk. And today we are happy to inaugurate and do the puja ceremony of BU4 Auto in Bangalore. We have a production capacity of 3,000 units per month. Our plant is established in Ahmedabad. We started this business in 2022. The idea of starting this business was from my wife and the founder of this company, Bindi Shah. She always wanted to make a product which is helpful for our Indian people, where we can sell a product to all the houses in India from small to big. So this is a product, electric two-wheeler, where customer can buy for his daily chores, kids can go buy it for the school and colleges and classes, housewife can buy for their daily routines, husband can buy for going to office, and rich people buy this product for their people working with their in their team for their daily routines. So it is a product for every household in India. Our starting price of this product is very competitive. We have priced it very aggressively. We have priced it from the price of a mobile phone. So we have a starting price of 75,000 rupees and it goes till 1,10,000 rupees. So the battery pack comes with a 3 years warranty and it can do 1,000 cycles of charging. And there are two types of chargers available. So wherein the slow charger, it will take 4 hours, 3.5 to 4 hours to completely charge, and the fast charger will take 1 hour 20 minutes to completely charge the vehicle.
And this was my dream along with my husband, that we wanted to make a product like every house required the product. The actually example is, yesterday we were traveling to hotel and the driver was driving a car unknowingly that we are a founder of the electric scooter, and he was just wanted to buy a scooter. Just we asked them, which one you are planning, the petrol one or battery one? He said, nah, of course we are going for the battery one because it's more cheaper, it's more durable and it's more safe. So that was our pride, that the future is asking for the electric scooter, and we are happy to be part of the Bangalore. Thank you.
What is your month on month?
Sir, how
This is the price over and above the features. We have all covered all the features that all the new brand are offering right now, but we are slightly ahead of it in terms of the pricing. We start from 75,000. There are two categories of vehicle that we are producing right now. We have low speed and high speed. In low speed, you don't need a license, you don't need a helmet, and you don't need a number plate. So it is very easy to buy it, and it is a finance option is available. So it is good for housewives, school going kids, college going kids, and old aged people where they don't have license, so they don't have to go to the RTO to grab license to ride for it.
Even the known business personality buy the scooter for their house staff and their office staff. So even they trust us because of for their staff also.
So there are big business houses who have bought the scooters from us because they have given petrol two-wheelers to their staff, and then every now and then they have to give recurring cost of petrol and repairing cost to the vehicle. So with this vehicle, they straight away have to charge their scooters from their factory or office premises. So the bill comes in their electricity bill, so they don't have to pay separately to their staff for the petrol
Very
reimbursement.
nominal maintenance.
Yeah, it is 30 paisa per kilometer, where petrol vehicle will cost you 2.2 to 2.5 rupees per kilometer. So there is a vast difference in terms of economy. And we are making a motorcycle as per the GCC norms of UAE.
ಸೊ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ದಿಲೀಪ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಮಾರುತಳಿಯ ನಿವಾಸಿ. ಒಂದು BU4 ಅನ್ನೋ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಒಂದು ಡೀಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ಪನ್ನು ನಾನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು 4 ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಮಾಡಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, 3 ಲೋ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಗಾಡಿಗಳಿದೆ, ಒಂದು ಹೈ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಗಾಡಿ ಇದೆ. 3 ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್, ಶೈನ್ ಅಂತ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಡೂಡು ಅಂತ. ಈ ಹೈ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫಿನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ರೇಂಜಸ್ಸು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿನೂ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ 3 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ವಾರಂಟಿನೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮೋಟರ್ ವಾರಂಟಿನೂ 3 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೊಂಥರ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಇದಿದೆ. ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲನೂ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬೈಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಡಿ ಇದೆ, ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 40 ಗಾಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಏನು ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ತರಿಸ್ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಲೋ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ 90 to 100 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೈ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 110 to 120 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದು. ಅದು ರೈಡ್ ಮೋಡ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ರೈಡ್ ಮೋಡ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನಾವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಆವಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೈಲೇಜ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಮೋಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2, ಮೋಡ್ 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮೈಲೇಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಸರ್, ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಡಬಲ್?
ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ. ಹೈ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಚಾರ್ಜರಲ್ಲಿ 1 or 20 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಲೋ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಚಾರ್ಜರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೊಂದು 3 hours ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 3 hours
ಇದಾಗಿತ್ತು ಟುಡೇ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 26 ಕನ್ನಡ. ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ.